Hello world, I'm John. I will be doing a video demonstration today, making an online purchase of a mobile top-up while paying with cryptocurrency. Precisely, I'm talking about Zcash. I'm already logged in to save us the extra time. My country of origin, Nigeria, has been selected already. I'm going to check up with the products. A lot of products here, but I'll be going precisely for mobile phone credits and I'll wait for the response. My provider is MTN. Here I'm going to enter my phone number. Click on continue. It shows me my provider. Click on continue and wait for the response so I can choose what product I need. Value worth of 3,000 Naira. Click on 3,000 Naira, fine, and go to check product. I add to cart. Okay, added to cart. This is a checkout. I don't have a discount code. Cryptocurrency I needed is already checked in, Zcash. The reason was because I was here earlier on. Then I do buy now. This is what I have here, sort of like the receipt. I have a 0.114 Zik to pay. The rate will be updated in 19 minutes. Send the funds to this address. So this is the address I'll be sending the funds to. I'll click on this clipboard icon. Okay, great. That has been copied. So I'll go to Y wallet 1446206 1446206. Add 1 0 there. Great. So with that, I'm going to check include fee amount. So I'm going to include my address in the memo just in case there's going to be a refund, like just in case. In the memo, I'm going to add one or two things. I could just put mobile top-up. We know what the memo is for. It's where you can add additional description to the purchases you are doing. So more like a receipt, so the next time when you are going back through your inventories, you know precisely what you've done. And the body now, I'm going to just leave it as the default I kept there, which is sent now. We are good to go. I'm going to send this transaction. Send this transaction. Send. Oh, okay, sorry. I didn't follow the instruction there. I was supposed to press the button for a very long while. Okay, so my transaction has gone through. This is my transaction ID. Okay guys, so at the moment I think the payment has been received here. I'm just waiting for the confirmation on the blockchain. I'll keep you guys posted. I'll just watch this over until it's been confirmed on the blockchain, then I'll get back to you guys. So here we are. We have a successful transaction. We can see we have every one of those items checked there. So I just got an SMS, which I'm gonna check it out. Alright, so you could see the two SMS I got above is MTN. I'm gonna check up with the first one and see what precisely it is. But from an overview, I can see it's a reference to the payment I have made. If you look at the date over there, it's just few minutes ago from 15:57. The amount is 3,000 naira. I'll go back to the first one. You could see account recharge of 3,000 naira was successful. So it's been a successful transaction, making online purchase precisely with Zcash. I'm using the Y wallet. I just went back to my account so you can verify that the 3,000 I was sent on the SMS recharge is precisely what I purchased online. So with this I want to bring this to a quick conclusion. I'm sorry it's been a long video, but the good thing is the old stuff was a success, making purchase online using Zcash. On this occasion, I want to say thank you all for being there with me.